List.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Hearing.
For hearing fixed for today.
Hearing list.
Since,
Yes.
Your Lordship, since my senior is out of station, if possible, Your Lordship, if this matter can be taken next week, Thursday.
Okay. Miss Arzu is appearing.
Your Lordship, H. Vanlazami.
Okay, fine. We'll take it up next week then. Your name, please?
H. Vanlazami.
H. Valnanjami, Miss H. Valnanjami, appearing for the conducting counsel, submits that the counsel who will do the case is indisposed and has prayed for some time. Prayer is allowed. List this matter next week on list this matter on 21st Tuesday.
23rd. Your Lordship.
23rd Thursday, okay, 23rd of
Oblige.
July.
Lordship, may I make a mention in item number 1, part 2?
Item number 1,
Yes.
okay.
It may be listed again after 3 weeks.
Okay, Mr. Authorised it.
Yes.
Why are you mentioning item 1?
Since we are led by a senior designate from Gauhati.
Acha. Okay, listed, one or diva listed before appropriate bench without me. Now to do.
And Lordship, if I also make a mention on item number 16, part 2.
16.
Yes, Lordship. This is also, we are led by a senior advocate from Gauhati.
What, they cannot come today?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, your name please?
Vanal Tranpoya.
Mr. So for the appellant submits that the conducting counsels have difficulty in doing the matter today and has prayed for some time. Prayer is allowed. List this matter when?
It may be listed again after 3 weeks.
List this matter. After 3 weeks, I'll give you a date. List this matter on 13th of August. 13th of August.
Oblige.
Your Lordship.
Yes, item number
Item
7.
number 22. This may be listed next week.
22 of the hearing list.
Hearing list, yes.
Yes.
Thursday?
So, you want it on Thursday?
Yes.
Next Thursday?
Next Thursday.
Next Thursday, there are actually so many matters.
If possible, on Wednesday, it's a
Wednesday
DB day.
again we have division bench.
DB day, but if we can seek some opportunity.
Or if they can list again after DB is over, then okay. Okay. Mr. C. Lamjuava, learned senior counsel for the petitioner, submits that the matter be taken up on a later date. Prayer is allowed. List this matter on, when did you say, 22nd?
22nd.
22nd of July.
Yes.
Supplementary list, item number 7.
Yes. Did you go through the mediation
yes,
report?
Yes, Lordship, I have gone through. The parties have come to the agreement as per the order.
Okay. So your grievances are met with.
Yes, yes.
You are for the appellant.
For the appellant.
Appellant is Dr. T.C.
T.C.
Mingtangi.
Yes, Mingtangi.
Okay. He has been also given his share, whatever.
Yes, yes.
And other respondents also.
There are 4 children of the deceased. T.C. Mingtangi is the appellant, and there are 3 others on the other side. And
all
have
4
come to-
brothers.
Yes. 2 brothers, 2 sisters.
2 brothers, 2 sisters. So they were given their respective shares.
Yes.
Where is the FAO? This is the one, I think. RFA 10 of 2016, right?
Yes.
Achha. He is the appellant and respondent number 1 is Lalpui Silo, wife of, acha, this person died.
Yes.
Lalnun Puya expired.
Puya expired.
During the pendency of the proceeding of this case,
Yes, yes.
she got substituted.
Yes.
And thereafter, respond number 2 is also the brother.
Yes.
And 1 and 2 are the brothers.
One
Or
and
what?
2 and brothers.
Yes.
The third one is sister.
Third one is a pro forma respondent.
Pro forma respondent, but she's also given a share. She has her own share.
She is also a sister.
Sister.
And 3 brothers, 1 sister.
2 brothers, 2 sisters.
No, these
TC Mingtangi is the eldest. She is a sister.
TC, no, appellant is a male person.
No.
Oh, she is a female.
She's
Acha, acha, acha. The name doesn't seem so, I thought. Okay. And 1 is the sister-in-law.
Now, sister-in-law means she's become, she's substituted
Huh.
her deceased husband. That is the brother of the appellant.
Okay. Okay, on the basis of that, I have seen the report yesterday. On the basis of that report, you want the matter to be disposed of, right?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. You are for the
Respondent number 1 and 2.
1 and 2. 3, nobody appears.
3 being represented. 3. Earlier she was represented by Mr. Aldrin.
He is not there.
He is not there.
It's okay. Heard Mr.
She's there.
Oh, she is there. You are
It's
for
not
respond
there.
number 3.
I'm representing Mr. Adrian Lomjwala.
Acha. For respond number 3.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, right. Heard Mr. C. Ram Juava, learned senior advocate, assisted by Mr. Okay. What? Your name, please, again?
Stephen.
Your name is there on board? Huh? Acha. Okay. We were assisted by so-and-so for the appellant and Miss?
Sheila Rafeli on behalf of Miss Dinari T. Azu.
Okay. On behalf of Mr. Dinari T. Azu, for respond number 1 and 2, and Miss?
Zodin Bui Chakchwak on behalf of Mr. Adrian Lomjwala for respondent number 3.
3. Okay. You can just give your names today. So-and-so. This is an appeal. You can have your seats. This is an appeal filed under section 17, within bracket 2, within bracket small b of the Mizoram Civil Courts Act 2005, challenging the judgment and order dated 15/1/2016, passed by the learned senior civil judge Aizol in airship case HEIR airship case number 251 of 2009. Just correct me if I go wrong somewhere. 2009. The case of the petitioner, the case of the appellant, namely Dr. T.C. H. Pratham, first H, then Ming Thangi, MING THANGI, Ming Thangi, that the aforesaid airship case, being airship case number 251 of 2009, was filed by the respondents, being respondent number 1 and 2 in the present appeal, namely Shri T. Lal Nun Pui, Lal NUNPUIA, Lal Nun Pui, and Dr. T. Lalrin LAL RINT LUANGA, Lalrin Luanga, Lalrin Luanga, against the appellant and Srimati T. Linda Lalchinpui, Lalhinghingpui, full stop. It is the further case of the appellant that respondent number 1 and 2 refuse to look after and maintain their mother after their mother was divorced by their father. Full stop. The respondents, in fact, opted to stay with the father, and the appellant and respondent number 3 stayed with the deceased mother. Full stop. Under the meso-customary law of inheritance, meso-customary law, under the meso-customary law, although no provision is made for inheritance of mother's property, but it is a practice that whoever looks after and maintain the mother, the entire property of the mother, vest in them. VESTS, vest in them. It be stated herein, vest in them, full stop. It is stated by the appellant was that entire land given to the appellant and his sister and her sister?
Lordship, the deceased was having quite a number of properties. So there was a proposal for, even the trial court had distributed the properties. And the manner in which it was distributed was not accepted by the appellant.
The distribution done by the mother was not accepted by the children?
No, not the distribution of the property by the mother. Mother was having her own properties, and father was having his own properties. So mother's property, dispute is over the mother's properties. Mother died without leaving any will whatsoever. So there was a dispute as to who will get what in respect of the properties of the mother. And since the appellant, being the eldest of the children, she was looking after the mother till her death. And
then you write, Gigolo, that it is stated by the mother of the appellant and the respondent expired. When did she expire? There was a expired in the year somewhere I saw the death certificate.
Page 9, the Lordship. Page 9 is the death certificate of the
Page?
Page 9 of the paper book.
Page 9
Yes.
of the paper book. There is a paper book here. Oh, yes. Page 9.
It was on 9/1/2009.
Acha. 9. The mother expired on 9/1/2009.
Yes.
And after the death of the mother, there was dispute with regard to distribution of her land between the children, and in view of the same, the heirship case was filed by the respondents as mentioned above. The trial court, after hearing all the parties, apportioned the landed properties of the said mother between both the appellant and the respondents.
As per judgment and order at page 72, Your Lordship.
The trial court had divided the properties not only in respect of it's okay. Full stop. Being aggrieved by the trial court's order, the appellant filed the appeal. Full stop. Para. The trial court, by order dated
At page 72.
page
72 of the paper book.
72. Okay. By order dated 15/1/2016, had declared that respondent number 1 and 2
At page 92, Your Lordship.
Achha, yes, 92, right? It was also mentioned in the mediation order. Yes, huh? Okay. Declared that respondent number 1 and 2, being the legal heir of the deceased mother, Srimati C. Rosiam Liami,
Iliani.
shall divide amongst themselves 3 numbers of properties. This Muthiram is also a property.
Yes, Muthiram is the location.
Acha. Number 1,
Landed property at Muthiram.
landed property at Muthiram, Teirei, Teirei,
Near Tere. Naya means near.
near
Near
Teirei.
Teirei, yes.
Okay. Muthiram near Teirei. Number 2, property under LSC number 89 of 1976 at Lunglei
Parallel road.
near dash parallel road. Number 3, property located at Lunglei, Kikon, Kikawn, Kikon, Baptist Bayak, Baptist
Near Baptist Church.
Acha, near Baptist Church. The full stop. The trial court had also declared the appellant and respondent number 3 as legal heir of the deceased mother named above, and directed that 4 numbers of properties should be distributed amongst them. And they were property under LSC number 2340 of 1987 and LSC, Land Settlement Certificate, LSC 2351 of 1987 near Zhuangtui Ram, Zuangtui, Zhuangtui Ram. Number 2, property under LSC number 408 of 1981 near, a two-story RCC building near Bong Kwang, B-A-W-N-G, K-A,
At Bongkong, that's it.
at,
At Bongkong.
okay, not near, at B-A-W-N-G-K-A-W-N, at Bongkong. And number 3, property under LSC number 515 of 1985 and LSC number 516 of 2004.
Near Baptist Church at Lunglei.
It is near or what? Near.
Yes.
Near Lunglei Bazaar Baptist Church. Lunglei Bazaar Baptist Church. Number 4, a property situated at Rangbha Mual Rama. R-A-N-G Rang, V-A-M-U-A-L, then R-A-M-A-H, Rama. Full stop. The learned trial court had also directed that heirship certificates should be issued to the respective parties and the original property documents should also be deposited, should also be given back to the rightful heirs as mentioned in the said order. Full stop. The para. The appellant being aggrieved with the said order, which according to him was not, according to her, was not as per law, it was not as per law, filed the instant appeal being FAO number 10 of 2016.
RFA.
RFA number 10 of 2016. The appellant states that during the pendency of the instant appeal, respondent number 1 expired and in his place, his wife was substituted as respondent number 1. During the pendency of the instant appeal, the case was sent for mediation, and during the mediation conducted by the mediator, the parties entered into a settlement and a mediation report was prepared. In the said report, all the 4 parties, that is 4 children of the deceased mother, had put their signatures in presence of the mediator. Full stop, para. All the 4 parties, that is the appellant and respondent number 1, 2 and 3, have entered into a settlement as mentioned below. The wife of respondent number 1. Wife of Shri T. Lalnun Pui, late Shri T. Lalnun Puia, Lalnunpuia, who was substituted as respondent number 1 on death of her husband as stated above, was given the property under LSC number 293 of 1988 covering a square feet, covering an area of square feet 581. Now covering an area of 581 square feet, as well as the property under LSC number 515 of 1985, covering an area of 1833 square feet. It was full stop. It was further agreed upon that the land revenue tax paid by the appellant amounting to rupees 3,888 further directed last line agreed upon, okay, shall be reimbursed to the appellant by her. That's the number 2 correct. It was the respondent number 3, namely Srimati B.T. Linda.
Is the just above that there is A. B is the serial.
B is not
B is
required.
not the name.
B is what otherwise?
B is not the name.
T. Linda.
Yeah, T. Linda.
Okay, Srimati T. Linda. Maybe B is a substitute of Srimati.
No.
No. Acha.
Just above that there is A. A. Lalrupui. Now below that B in bold letters, Lordship.
You're speaking of the respondent. I mean
The settlement agreement.
I'm looking into the report.
Yes.
Report, it is written B.T. Linda Langchin
Yes.
Pui.
Just after that you'll see.
Oh, acha, A.B. Okay, yes.
AB.
Srimati T. Linda Lal Chin Pui. LALCHHH. INGPUII. Respondent number 3, respondent number 3 in the appeal is given. The property under certificate of agricultural land settlement number 102804/12/43.
Lordship,
Yes.
if the written report is shown to her, I think it will be.
She can write down, but then still something needs to be written. Okay. So and so. Of 2003 Muthi, near Terrain, covering an area of 14.96 bigha, as well as a property under LSC number AZL-2351 of 1987, covering an area of 0.83 bighas, were given to her. Further, it was agreed upon that the land revenue tax paid for the years 2017 to 2026, amounting to rupees 6,000, in respect of the first property, shall be reimbursed to the appellant by her. And in respect of the second property, that is under LSC number ISOL 2351 of 1997, the land revenue tax paid by the appellant amounting to rupees 7610 shall also be reimbursed to him by said respondent number 3.
To her.
Oh, acha, reimbursed to, yes, to her. To her, the appellant is her. By this respondent number 3. Then third para. It was thereafter agreed upon that respondent number 2, namely Dr. T. Lalrint Luanga, LALRINT LUANGA, would be settled with the property under LSC number AZL-2340 of 1987, covering an area of 0.69 bigha. And it was further agreed upon that the land revenue tax paid for the year 2017 to 26, amounting to rupees 6920, shall be reimbursed to the appellant by said respondent number 2. Full stop. It was also agreed upon that the property under LSC number 89 of 1976 near Lunglei Parallel Road area covering parallel road covering an area of 0.38 bigha should also be given to the said respondent, that is respondent number 2. Full stop. It was further agreed that the housing loan incurred by the mother, namely Srimati C. Rosiam Liani, amounting to rupees 45,128, which was paid by the appellant, should be reimbursed to the appellant by this respondent, being respondent number 2. It was further agreed upon that the house standing on the said property the rent of the house the rent of the house standing on the said property shall be collected by the wife and children of respondent number 1, namely namely Lal, LALH, LUPUII, Silo. Or in other words, children of late T. Lalnun Puya. Late Disa. And it was also agreed upon that whenever the house is reconstructed due to wear and tear, the said children will continue to collect the rent for one floor of the said house. Para. The appellant was, by the said settlement, given the property under LSC number 408 of 1981, that is a 2-story RCC building located at Bongkong, BAWN, GKAWN, covering an area of 0.21 bigha. Full stop. He was also given the property under LSC number 516 of 1985, located near Lunglei Bazaar Baptist Church, covering an area of 0.20 bigha. Full stop. The appellant was also given the property covering under LSC number AZL-2994 of 1989, located at SAKAWTUICHHUN within bracket dia above the road between Rangva Mual RANGVAMUAL and the BRTF camp bracket close, covering an area of 0.27 bigha. 0.27 bigha. Full stop. Para. Full stop. These are the properties. These are the properties which belonged to the mother, namely C. Ramliang Lima. Asil je naam jo? C. Rosiam Liani. ROSIAM LIANI were distributed amongst the children, amongst the 4 numbers of children mentioned above. Para. It was also decided amongst the parties that since none of the passes are mutated, it was also decided by the parties that none of the passes are mutated and sold off to third party. It was further decided that that verification is done, that none of the parties.
Here, after all the properties were apportioned to the parties, the appellant was directed to produce the records, the original LSCs, and it was verified that none of the passes were mutated or sold off to the third party.
So it that it was during the it was also during the said mediation proceeding, it was also found out after the appellant had produced the passes before the mediator that the passes were not mutated in anyone's name and neither it was sold to the third party. It was also seen by the mediator that all the land passes were in possession of the appellant. And the parties have agreed that the passes will be handed over to each of them according to the said agreement. With the above terms of settlement, the mediation report was submitted. I have heard the counsels for all the parties present today, and they have reiterated that they are agreeable with the settlement entered into and the agreement that was prepared by the mediator. In view of the same, nothing needs to be written more, I think. Now, in view of the same, this first appeal is disposed of.
Yes. In terms of the
settlement. Settlement reached between the parties as reflected in the mediation order. Appeal is disposed of. Your name I have reflected for respond number 3. What about the other, some CO number, some other applications are pending? Yes, Mr. Laljava. What about these applications to be disposed of?
These are covered by the settlement. Because this is
So in view of the order passed in FAO, the instant applications are also disposed of, right?
Yes.
Yes. It did CO guitar. CO guitar in view of the
Daily list for admission item number 1.
Yes, you can take this. The contempt application. Which order is being violated?
All
Affidavits are filed. I think on the last occasion.
Your Lordship,
Uh,
I am on behalf of my senior, Miss Mariel Kente, and we are representing respondent number 4 and number 7. We have not yet received the draft affidavit from the concerned department. And
you have not received what?
the draft affidavit, we have already sent the draft affidavit and have not
Oh.
received it yet.
So you are yet to file your affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship.
4 and 7.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And 8,
Your
Wakalatnama file.
8 is
Your Lordship, I appear on behalf of my senior CGC for respondent 8.
Respondent. You will file affidavit.
Uh,
You are the new incumbent.
Yes, Your Lordship, I will be
File affidavit or not.
be filing.
And you are the new incumbent. The earlier one got
Yes, Your
transferred.
Lordship.
What is this matter about? Compensation? No. Or what? So who appears for 1, 2, 3? Yes,
Your Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 3.
you are appearing for respondent number 3.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Land Revenue and Settlement Department.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Lalsang Liana. I mean, she is still there in the office?
Yes, Your Lordship, there is a slight confusion because Mrs. Mary is also representing for 3, 4, and 7.
No, Mary L. Kyangti is representing 4 and 7.
Yes, Your Lordship. However, Your Lordship, 7 is also actually from the Revenue Department itself.
As a new incumbent, perhaps.
Yes, Your Lordship.
The Lalsang Niala got transferred, retired, what?
He got transferred, Your Lordship.
Transferred. Okay, let Mary file her affidavit, 4 and 7. What about 5?
My Lord,
Executive-
I'm appearing on behalf of my senior, Mr. PCL Thangmoya, for respondent 5 and 6, and I pray 3 weeks' time to file for my affidavit.
Acha. 8 will also file. So 1, 2, 3 perhaps is not required anymore, but 1 will be required. What about 1's affidavit? Ministry of Defence, Border Roads Development Board.
Your Lordship, I will be praying for time to file in that matter.
For?
Show cause reply, Your Lordship.
For which respondent?
For any respondents under Union of India. I appear on behalf of my senior CGC.
Acha. So you are for which? Respondent number 8.
Yes, Your
He
Lordship.
is the Chief Engineer, Border Road Task Force.
Your Lordship.
But 1 is different. He is Secretary, Ministry of Defence, Border Roads Development Board. You have perhaps replaced respondent number 2. 2 perhaps was transferred or something.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So you have come as 8.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What about 1?
Lordship, I have not received any instruction about that.
For
matter.
1?
Yes, Your Lordship.
1 and 4 ADA card is awaited. 1 and 4, right?
Lordship.
One, the service is not complete, it seems. But CGC cannot appear. This is contempt. It is very personal. 1 is not unserved notices returned from 1 and 4. This was in November. 4 now is represented, but 1, as far as 1 is concerned, okay, 1, 4. So we are left only with 1. Fresh notices upon respondent number 1. You are not appearing for 1, right? No, 1 who appears for 4 and 7. Mary.
Yes, Lordship. We are representing respondent number 3, 4, and 7 are represented, Your Lordship, by us.
And
2 he is representing, 2 and 8.
yes, Your
perhaps.
Lordship. And so only one remains.
Only one remains. Respondent number 1.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Respondent number 1, no one appears till date.
No, Your Lordship.
He is the Ministry of Defense. Perhaps he is also not there in the office.
Your Lordship, if I may, the CGC can inform the ministry because they will be in
He
direct
can do it.
correspondence.
I think the council who represents respondent
Yes,
number
Your
8 can also inform respondent number 1.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Okay, you try to inform him.
So,
Okay. So, right. Heard, miss? Your name, please?
Sheila Rasfili.
Okay. For the petitioner? Mr.
Daniel Shah said.
So and so appearing for respondent number 4 and 7, appearing on behalf of Miss Mary L. Kyangte, representing respondent number 4 and 7, submits that he requires some time to file the affidavit in opposition in the instant matter. Earlier also he had taken time, he had not filed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Right. This time no failure, huh?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So, okay, full stop. Miss Lallan Pui
Yes, Your Lordship.
for
For respondent number 3.
3. For respondent number 3, you have filed your affidavit.
No, Your Lordship, we have not filed it. We'll
You
file
will?
it. Yes, Your Lordship. It is already ready. We'll be filing it by next week.
Okay. Submits that the affidavit on behalf of respondent number 3 is made ready and that she will file it within, file it soon. Okay, 3, 4, 7 done. 5, 6, you will file?
For 2 weeks time to
Miss,
file.
Miss so-and-so, representing respondent number 5 and 6, also prays for some time to file the affidavit in opposition. And Mr.
Lian Ming Tanga.
Ming Thangna, learned counsel representing respondent number 8, also prays for some time to file affidavit. It is a full stop. It is further seen that respondent number 1 is not represented in the instant case, and the counsel representing respondent number 8 is requested to convey the pendency of this proceeding to respondent number 8. Prayers are allowed. Prayers made by the respective counsels are allowed. It is further directed that the affidavits in opposition, that the affidavits on behalf of the respective respondents be filed by the next date without fail. List this matter on, I'll give you a long date, but you file your affidavits. List this matter on 13th of August. Will do? Before that, you please file your affidavits. 13th of August, 2026. Okay?
Item number 2.
May I please your lordship?
2. Yes.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
This is a
In the
CRP.
last order, there was a direction for furnish of 2 judgments, WA number 1 of 2026 and CRP number 9 of 2025. So far, WA number 1 of 2026 judgment has been furnished, and I hope that judgment in CRP number 9 of 2025 will be furnished soon when it is available.
Acha.
My lord,
What is this matter about? Mr. Deka?
my lord, this is a civil revision petition, my lord, whereby order was challenged. Lordship may kindly turn to the last page, lordship, of the CRP, lordship. Then
Acha, anyways, today what is to be done? I'll
No,
just see
Lordship,
the last order.
I'm-
Wait. P. Deka,
I'm praying
learned
for
counsel. prays to-
I'm praying for disposal, lordship. If lordship may kindly see the last order, the impugn order.
But then on the last occasion, you were supposed to file your additional affidavit.
Yes, we have filed it, lordship.
Acha, acha.
Now, lordship may kindly see the last order, lordship. The impugn order, lordship.
Acha. Where is that?
Lordship, the last page, second last page, 141.
141. Yes. 141. Yes, huh?
The case record put up today The present application filed by the applicant under Order 39, Rule 1 and Rule 1, 2 and 3 of the CPC, not to release any amount lying in the applicant's account, account number so and so at HDFC Bank Kolasip branch, which was freezed by the opposite party without lawful justification. The learned counsel for the applicant prays for disposal of the present application. However, the learned counsel for the applicant had filed a writ petition criminal 9 of 2025 before the Honorable Gauhati High Court Aizol Bench Aizol. The Honorable Gauhati High Court Aizol Bench passed an order dated 13/1/2026 in which the Honorable Gauhati High Court stayed the operation of order dated 3/3/2025 passed by the learned Metropolitan Magistrate Siadapet Chennai till the next date of listing. Considering the order dated 13/1/2026 passed by the Honorable Gauhati High Court Aizol Bench Aizol, it would be appropriate for this court and also a proper adjudication of the present application to wait for a decision of the Gauhati High Court in WPRL number 9 of 2025 before passing the final order on the pending injunction application. Now this order was challenged, Lordship.
This
No, Lordship.
order dated 28/1.
Yes, Lordship.
This order is
Now-
challenged in this petition.
Yes, Lordship. Now what has happened? The writ petition is dismissed, Lordship. And we have filed a writ appeal. In that writ appeal, the case was, our appeal was allowed.
So
and
writ petition criminal 9 of 25 is dismissed.
dismissed.
Okay.
Now Lordship, keeping this civil revision petition pending is of no use, Lordship. So what I am suggesting, if my friend can accept my submission, Lordship, a date may be fixed before the trial court, because this is an application under Order 39, Rule 1 and 2, and the petitioner is enjoying an injunction. And I am the opposite party and I am suffering because of that injunction. So the lower court has only said that we will wait for the order of the Honorable Gauhati High Court. And the Honorable Gauhati High Court has dismissed this the writ petition. Now, Lordship may kindly
But
fix
then
a date.
against that you have filed your civil revision. What?
No, Lordship. There is no
Against-
appeal.
Against writ petition, dismissal of writ petition criminal 9 of 25, any other recourse
No.
was undertaken?
No.
Acha.
Now, Lordship, date may be fixed before the civil judge in Kolasip, and that a time-bound period, within a period of 1 month, the court may finally hear the matter and dispose of the.
No, this is reasonable enough, Mr. Counsel. Now that 9 of 25 is gone, it's dismissed. Now the court can look into the matter.
Lordship,
I can dispose it off on that ground.
We have already completed our final arguments, Lordship. Even then, the court has not passed any order, and my learned friend would also accept that, Lordship. So what I am praying is that a date may be fixed in Kolasip, and we will appear there, and we will fix a date for hearing. On that day, we will do the hearing, and the order may be passed on that day or within a period of 1 month, the entire exercise. Now that
Acha.
seems, Lordship, for me it's fair, Lordship.
That is one side prayer of my learned friend, Your Lordship. Then my prayer is on page 23, Your Lordship.
Page 23.
23, yes, my Lord. Yes.
One second.
Page 22. No.
Yes, 23, yeah. Yes, your prayers.
Correct. In the running page, Paradi, direct the learned senior civil judge Kolasip to pass appropriate orders confining any restraint or stay, if at all warranted on merits, strictly to the disputed amount of rupees 27,90,009 and to release all undisputed amount in the petitioner's bank's account forthwith. What happened, my lord? In my account, there was
Just tell me
undisputed
about the
amount.
facts.
All right, my lord, my lord. On January 2025, I had deposited rupees 28 lakhs in the Abans investment. But
In what
after
investment?
inquiry, ABANS, Abans investment.
Acha, okay.
Their headquarters was in Delhi. But after depositing 28 lakhs, I have some dough, and on inquiry, it was found to be fraud. So I somehow managed to request the money for withdrawal, and I had withdrawn the deposit made by me with some little losses. I have lost some amount when I have been withdrawn. Then yes, that amount was deposited to bank draft, which I have enclosed in this petition. That was on January, my lord. Then on March.
So you had withdrawn the amount?
Yes, correct, my lord, with a little loss, my lord.
With little loss. Okay. Then?
Yeah. When it comes to my HDFC account, I had deposited through my rural bank account, bank draft, and the withdrawal had come in my HDFC account. Then that was happened on January 2025.
Okay.
Okay. Then on March 2025 in the same year, the respondent number 5 had filed an FIR to the cybercrime police station, stating that he has made some investment in Aditya Birla, which I have no knowledge about that. That is a separate thing. So after making investment in Aditya Birla, he wanted to withdraw the amount, but thereafter he found that it was some doubtful investment.
Doubtful investment?
Yes. So he filed an FIR against those persons. He named those persons, 10 persons on which he deposited the amount. It was about 5 crores. Each and every amount was mentioned in the FIR.
So you are an accused there?
No, I had no relation with that, my lord.
So that was against others?
Yes, that was against others, my lord. So thereafter the case IO, this respondent number 4, conduct an investigation, and he, without any justification, linked my account.
Achha.
So he prayed to the Chennai magistrate to transfer the amount to the respondent number 5 account. So then my account was then
freezed.
Yes, freeze in the manner that it was released again, so that the amount could be transferred to the respondent number 5. So I was quite worried, so I ran here to there, civil court and criminal court, protecting my those hard income. So in the civil court, I had instituted a case against the bank authority, claiming guilt.
Acha, can't you come down to the court? It's so difficult to understand.
Your Lordship,
even Mr. Decca can come down, otherwise difficult. Mr. Decca had projected a very simple case.
My lord, may I I will just take only the facts of the case, Lordship. Lordship, what has happened in this case? This is a cyber fraud, Lordship. And I am from Chennai. I have filed an FIR before the Chennai court. Now,
Chennai court?
Yes, Lordship. Now, I'm basically from Tamil Nadu, Lordship. Now, what has happened? After investigation, there were some crime proceeds which were found in the account of the petitioner. Now, after that, Lordship, his account was freezed.
Petitioner
And
means
then-
this one?
Yes, Lordship.
Lalsao Rima?
Yes, Lordship.
Acha, okay.
And then, Lordship, the petitioner here has filed a title suit and a criminal petition against the HDFC Bank, challenging the freezing order, Lordship. Now, in the title suit, he has prayed for an injunction so that the amount which is there should be kept intact and there should not be any deduction from his account. Now, this order directly is in clash with the order passed by the magistrate in Chennai. Now, what happened, Lordship? The petitioner herein has filed a writ petition before this honorable court, saying that the writ petition challenging the order passed by the magistrate in Chennai. Now there is a stay order passed by this honorable court. Being aggrieved by that, Lordship, I have filed a writ appeal, saying that this honorable court do not have the territorial jurisdiction to entertain this kind of writ petitions, Lordship. Now, my appeal was allowed. And the division bench of this honorable court has directed that the writ petition which is filed should be dismissed. Accordingly, the single judge has dismissed the writ petition. Now, Lordship, in this adjudication of the civil revision petition under 227, Lordship, these questions are going into the facts of the case. I do not see a purpose of this civil revision petition. Since there is an injunction order passed, since there is a pending Order 39 Rule 1 and 2 application before the civil judge in Kolasib, all these submissions should be made there. And he has already made this submission and he has attained the ad interim injunction. And I am suffering, and pendency of this civil revision petition is hampering me. This civil revision petition, adjudication, what is the impugn order? Impugn order is that the court was just waiting for what is the decision of the writ petition.
So that is over. Yes, Mr. Mr. Decca is correct in saying you hesitated before the Kolasib court.
Your Lordship, yes, one thing.
Yes.
The respondent number 5 totally depends on the findings of the respondent number 4, case IO. He has no direct evidence or no direct connection.
Anyways, that to entertain your argument, I'll have to go to each and every fact.
Correct.
Because
correct.
I'm hardly able to understand what police officer did, what not. But as far as now the present case is concerned, what Mr. Decca is saying that you take all grounds before the Kolasib court.
He has already
And
taken
Kolasib court had waited for this writ petition and which has been dismissed. So you go before that court.
No, Lordship, he is already there, Lordship. He has enjoyed an injunction, Lordship.
He is already enjoying. That is
All these are already agitated, Lordship. And it is in the stage of final hearing.
So instead of that being stopped, you do it there.
Yes, although it was quite clear, Your Lordship, so one court date may be given. In the meantime, all these cases have been cropped up due to the findings of the case IO. Then the case IO has already received all notice and all the evidence which was available. But
Achha,
still
you are petitioner in person.
Yes, correct, my lord. Yes. So if my lord can pass an order that let the case IO cooperate this court and submit the facts how the petitioner account is linked with the respondent number 5 on the next day.
That will be seen by the Kolasib court also.
Lordship, that how can in a civil revision petition IO sitting in Chennai be directed to come and explain?
That is necessary because passing the order.
He has to file an application before the proper court. This is a civil revision petition under 227. Lordship has to see whether the impugn order is passed is correct or not. The impugn order is that the court is waiting for the order passed in the writ petition.
Achha, what you do, Mr. Petitioner in person, you come to the court this way, it's difficult to entertain. Okay. Otherwise, I can pass the order that since this is done away with, the writ petition criminal is gone, so the Kolasib court will hear it. If you are not agreeable to that, you come over and then we will hear.
Okay, we'll fix it.
Yes?
I am appealing to respond number 1 and 2. In that matter, the learned friend is correct. The matter, the disputed question of facts is already pending before the Kolasib court. The matter was heard at length on the last year on August, but order was not passed. And since all the cases has been dismissed, whatever adjudication, whatever the disputed question of facts are there, you can well place it before the Kolasib court. And the Kolasib court may
that is what I am saying, but the learned counsel is not agreeing.
But keeping this present petition serves no purpose, in my humble submission.
We'll argue on that point also, my lord. Then let the matter come up on.
So this is, Lordship, I am suffering because of it. Then, Lordship, in that case, the interim order which has been passed may be vacated, Lordship. He is enjoying an interim order and now he is taking time saying that IO should come and all these kind of submissions, Lordship. Then his ad interim injunction may be vacated, Lordship. If he
there is nothing suffered by the respondent because the entire
He is enjoying an injunction, and on top of that, he has filed a civil revision petition, and the entire proceeding has been stopped for last 1 year.
No,
And
no,
he's
I understand, but then
only arguing on the basis of the case IO, my lord. They have no evidence at all.
no, whatever the facts available, Lordship has to decide with that, Lordship, and he's not even a party in the suit, Lordship.
Before this court is also in my favor, my lord. Because the original
it's okay,
amount belongs
let
to me,
him
my
come
lord.
down. This is very difficult to understand. Okay.
Lordship. A short date may be fixed, Lordship. Next week, Lordship.
Okay, as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, list this matter on when?
Next Friday, my lord.
Next Friday will not be proper. List this matter on 28th of July, 2/8. And you come
Lordship,
down.
27th, Lordship.
27th of July, it's a Monday. This way, hearing a big matter is difficult. So, even if Mr. Decca cannot come down, the learned, the petitioner in person, you have to come down and explain. This is difficult to understand. Okay? So, list this matter on 27th of July.
All right, my lord.
I'll look.
Item number 3 and 4.
3 and 4.
May it please your lordship, lordship, on joint request, if this matter may kindly be listed on 13th August for hearing.
What happened on the last occasion?
On the last occasion, pleadings were completed, so we.
Okay. So, you have filed your affidavit in opposition, respond number 3 and 4?
Yes, my lord.
So, pleadings are complete, it can be taken up for hearing, not today.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. When can you do it?
If it's possible on 13th August.
13th of August?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Both sides are represented. Prayer is made on behalf of the petitioner that the matter be taken up for hearing on 13th of August 2026. Prayer is allowed, list accordingly.
Item number 5.
Yes, it's your lordship, appearing for the petitioners. My lord, this is a writ petition.
Today, what needs to be done?
Your lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 1. I don't think the respondent number 2, 3, and 4 are represented yet.
And you are supposed to receive some instructions.
Yes, your lordship, we are yet to receive the instructions only that is for respondent number 1, your lordship. The state only represents respondent number 1, that is the DC Longklai. The rest, your lordship, they will be represented separately by their autonomous district council advocate.
Last occasion also they were unrepresented. 2,
Yes,
3
your
and
lordship.
4. Services otherwise complete.
Yes, your lordship. Your lordship, if I may be on behalf of respondent number 1, if I may be granted another 3 weeks time to file my affidavit of opposition. My lord, if I may, respondent 1 has been given ample of chances to take their instructions. And
Yes, a
this
number of
may be-
occasions, but
yeah. At the same time, your
but
lordship,
she said you have received your instructions.
no, your lordship, I am yet to receive.
Why it's taking so long?
Your lordship, the last correspondence that we have received was way
And
back
2,
in
3, 4,
February.
the service is complete, but they are not represented. Why? Who are 2, 3 and 4?
The 2, 3 and 4 are Executive Secretary, Chakma Autonomous District Council.
Acha.
Respondent number 3 is District Council, Conservative Forest, Chakma Autonomous District Council. And the 4th is Shriti Chakma, which is a private council, your lordship, also from Longklai.
It is seen that 1 or 2 of the respondents were served by Dusty and the affidavit is also filed. So service is complete, but they are not appearing. What is this matter about?
So, your lordship, the petitioners are farmers and we cultivate the broom grass. So, on 6th of October 2025, for the
Chakma Autonomous District for the first time issued a notification for registration of boom grass for harvesting, transportations, and selling, and which causes immense hardships. And also on 26th of November 2025, the respondents issued office memorandum and were prohibited the petitioners to transport their products collectively, which caused hardship to the petitioners. And also, Your Lordship, the DCCF, which is...
So they are not allowing you to do all this, harvesting, collecting,
Yes, Your Lordship,
transporting,
and-
selling. Okay. And they are not appearing.
Your Lordship, if I may, the District Council Conservator Forest comes under the Environment Forest Department. So actually, this should have been the Environment Forest Department should have been made a party.
Otherwise, there are no standing councils for them. 2 and 3.
2 and 3, Your Lordship. I'm only speaking about only 3, Your Lordship. I'm not aware of what their administrative setup is in for 2. Your Lordship, for 3, I'm very sure that he comes under the Environment Forest Department.
Acha. Environment and Forest Department.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So you can also inform them.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But service is complete. They are deliberately. When was the service complete? Respondent number 4 is the private respondent, right?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Private respondent is also served. And it was served when?
8th of April.
7th of May 2026. The
Yes,
affidavit, I mean. And it was served on
8th of April 2020.
8th of April
May, Your Lordship. Sorry.
2026.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And what about 2 and 3? 2 and 3 did not appear last time also. 2 and 3, they have already taken steps and an affidavit to that regard too. 2 and 3 also by Dusty.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, if I may take you to...
One second, I'm just
yes,
going
Your
through something. Okay, yes. What were you saying?
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, if this is concerning broom grass, it will definitely fall under the forest laws. And now if you look at page number 22, Annex 1, field tender notice. Your Lordship, in the second line, it says...
22.
Yes, Your Lordship. That is 22 of the writ petition.
Yes. Tender notice.
Yes, Your Lordship. So in here it says, with approval of the Deputy Commissioner Longklai and caretakers CADC, sealed tenders are hereby invited by Forest Department for granting permit for collection, harvesting and trade of broom grass. So the District Council Conservator Forest derives his authority from the forest laws, which actually is again coming under the purview of the department, and Forest Department has not been made a party to this case, Your Lordship.
But why these autonomous council?
Because, Your Lordship, I believe, Your Lordship, at the onset, I'd like to admit that this is not my, this case has not been endorsed to me. I'm only on the proxy of Mrs. Caroline. She's on legs in the other courtroom. However, from whatever I'm seeing, Your Lordship, I believe this the land or the concerned area falls under the Chakma Autonomous District Council.
Acha, that is how.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But what role they have? Because all this permission to carry grow also.
That again, Your Lordship, will be under the forest laws only, Your Lordship, because I don't.
District Council Conservator of Forest is there.
Yes, Your Lordship. However, Your Lordship, he will definitely derive his authority also from the Forest Department. So at this stage, Your Lordship, I don't think the DC alone will be able to give a appropriate answer for how the
But
tender
then
was
fact
answered.
remains 2, 3, 4 are not appearing
Yes, Your Lordship.
in spite of receiving the notice. 2 and 3, there will be no problem. They are the government authorities, so you inform them to appear.
Yes, Your Lordship.
4, of course, why is 4 being implemented as a party? What role she has? Shri T. Chakma, son of so and so. What is his role? What is the grievance against him? Yes, Miss Counsel for the petitioner. What is the grievance against him?
My lord, he is the successful
Bidder.
tenderer.
Acha. Anyway, that has to be gone into. You have to file your affidavits and will
Yes,
please
Your Lordship.
inform
Yes, Your Lordship.
respond number 2 and 3.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And 4, okay, we will go without the participation of 4. But then 2, 3 will be required.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. So heard, Miss?
Banal Sandami.
Okay. For the petitioner and Miss Lalrun Pui,
Yes, Your Lordship.
learned counsel for respondent number 1.
Yes, Your Lordship.
It is seen from the office notes as well as previous orders that service of notice upon respondent number 2, 3 and 4 are complete, but their said respondents are not represented before this court. As far as respondent number 2 and 3 are concerned, the learned counsel appearing for respondent number 1 is requested to inform them for their appearance before this court. Full stop. The learned counsel for respondent number 1, Ms. Lalun Pui, has also prayed that some time be given to her to file the affidavit in opposition. It is seen that the time was given to the learned counsel for getting the instruction and for filing the affidavit in opposition, but till date, for reasons shown by the learned counsel, it has not been filed. It is also submitted that the learned counsel is yet to get her instructions. It is as such directed that the learned counsel for the respondent number 1 should get the instruction and file the affidavit on the next date without fail. List this matter again on when?
Your Lordship, if this matter may be listed again the 13th August.
Okay. List this matter on 13th of August.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 6.
Number 2. Yes, you are appearing in item number 2.
My lord, I'm for the respondent number 2, complainant. The
Acha.
counsel for the appellant is still on legs in courtroom number 1.
Acha, so the PP,
And-
it is a state appeal.
State appeal, yes, my lord. I'm for the complainant. And respondent number 1, counsel, yes, last night also I have informed him. He said that he's coming. But I have seen him nowhere.
For the appellant.
For the respondent number 1, the accused, my lord.
So appellant, you are only for the respondent number 2, the complainant.
Yes, my lord.
And who is respondent number 1?
Number 1 is the accused. He was acquitted by the court below.
Acha.
And his counsel is Mr. P.C. Lalthang Moya and others.
Acha.
He's,
You are the informant and you are arrayed as a party respondent.
Yes, my lord.
That was not required. It's an appeal against acquittal.
Yes.
So the state has filed.
State has filed, and it is mandatory on the part of the court to inform the complainant.
Acha,
So-
is this the POXO matter?
Yes,
Oh,
POCSO,
acha,
yes, my
POXO
lord.
matter.
Yes, my lord. No, Vani, Mrs. Vani.
Acha, acha. Someone is coming. No. Acha, we can start with the facts and the case. Right. Acha, can she inform the counsel? Yes,
my-
Miss.
we can-
Yes, Miss Counsel, can you inform Miss Vani? Mr. or Miss?
Miss.
Miss.
Mrs. my lord.
Mrs. Vani? Just see whether she is in legs in the other court. Okay, just let me know. I'm otherwise starting with the matter. Tell her. Okay. I'll just see the FIR. Where is the FIR? Paper book is ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Everything is ready, ma'am.
Let me see the FIR. Page number 1A. Okay, you can go. This will.